Dah kejengtemu benkentiu kakot kakia agri India bat kamtam Meghalaya Meghalaya. Ha ka arplai tarik mentau benai rempang kihe jangka company NF Co Ltd na South Korea kle kendo yo menteri ketrat kakot kakia agajala ba ALHEC ban keli bnya alor kerukom trekam jong kikor medical oxygen supply system ne ki oxygen generator kibran Hashlong Civil Hospital. Uba ALHEC luang bakat kum kakai pot ke bawle yo opdiang na ketrat kakot kakia ban kibor penyat hospital na syam bagi medical oxygen supply system kelong kityar ki babha bat kila ajeng syakri bahai ki pat ba iba sya sumar hospital. Ulang bak sarkar kadang kejeng temu ban bu cucu ikini kor Ganesh Das Hospital bat ikiwei pat ki hospital ki badan kejela. Nakaliang unang punya jong NF Co Ltd u Jejun Wu ulakular ban Noh Synniang spotli ki kor oxygen generator ya kejela Meghalaya na kabenta kabha kamiat jong dipat ba kejela bat kumjoru ban wanra ikejing ede. Ulang ru bak NF kalong ke bakloi ban trailang bat sarkar Meghalaya na kabenta ban penklan ya kerukom ajeng sumar ya ki pat ba ha kejela. Kihe jong NF Co Ltd apo kajingalam u Jejun Wu bat executive manager u John Park ilalet ru Hashlong Civil Hospital ban pet ikejinglong jengman jong ki oxygen generator bat ban sengap thu ru naginong punya jong hospital dado katno kini ki bor bat ki kor ki bamenta kila ai kejing syakri bat kejing mentoi ki beriau ki badan apreng kejing syak sumar ki badan kamnya ke oxygen.
Through their representative, already they have installed the medical oxygen supply system in our state that has happened in civil hospital. We have taken the report. It is very, very productive and also it is very effective. That this is the report is taken from the civil hospital and also from the DHSMI. So I welcome our friends who have come all the way, JJ Wu, who is JJ Wu, our friend who have come all the way from South Korea. We welcome him. And also we have come John Park. He is also from the South Korea, and also we have two representatives from India. One is Wanyang from Shillong. He is one of the local partner with the company, and also Mark Matthew, who have been here working with us with the health department from many months before. And through his initiative, we have already installed a few oxygen supply system in civil hospital, and also I welcomed them. So now, since they have come, they have not come only to do business here, even also to help the government, to our country, to our state and also in our country. So they have already promised to send 10 more numbers of the medical oxygen supply system for the state of Meghalaya. For the entire country, they are going to supply 100 numbers.
During the long journey, actually, I deeply reflect on the meaning of the following three words. The first is commitment, and second is the missions, the last is the futures. We are living through the extraordinary times, so-called is COVID-19 age. I want to first extend my deepest sympathies to all who have been impacted by COVID-19, and I would like to express my deep gratitude to everyone working tirelessly to overcome this crisis, also with Mr. So I would say I also could not reach here without the commitment of all people who overcome this crisis. So second is missions. The NF is a company with a mission called saving lives. But this is not just the NF missions, but also the missions of all those who attend here and others. One of the effects of COVID-19 was that if the oxygen that was thought to be common, we think that common is oxygen, but was not supplied on time, it would cause a tremendous damage to all people. When operating in emergency, we need to provide patients with the oxygen as soon as they need it. And a family in Korea and India have a strong belief that at least even one person should not be suffered from lack of oxygen. Our mission is to install it to the right place as soon as possible and make it work well without pause. Performing that mission is the reason why I made it here and animate. We've all realized that one of the most effective ways of saving lives is providing oxygen to patients who need it. With all people here, and our family continues to accept implement the missions. Third thing is future. last things, we have a crucial improvement in Korea. The process we recognize as government this product action as the medicine, as well as the listed on the Korean insurance system. It's very difficult thing to, even if the pharmaceutical company who managed it globally, but NF did it. So it's a tremendous improvement in business. So with this technology, we were going to work with government of Meghalaya to strengthen its health system and support it on the road toward its health coverage. We would like to come toward with more if the need be. This is just one way in which NF is continuing to support the government and people of Meghalaya with science, solidarity, and solutions. I'd like to say announced a small contribution to this Meghalaya state. We will provide donating 10 medical oxygen support system mosques in Meghalaya. A small contribution to the future of Meghalaya and both NF companies. We NF regard this small contribution as one of the basic steps to shape close relationships and shaping promising futures. We at NF strive to support by developing intelligence medical oxygen support solutions that offer greater ease of use, improve patient safety, and individualized ventilation to the patients.
You have installed as a beta version, we can say, as a starting phase in 2 MOS 450, that's a bigger machines, and 1 MOS 80, what we are right now partnering with. So we have found it out, it's not highly priced, number one. We are just cutting the prices on the manpower and the overhead services, we are cutting the price. So whatever price X amount is coming down. And as far as what we are having a motto is saving lives. So obviously, keeping the commercials aside, we are just giving the best services in the economical mode only.
Also our state, we are also intending to install not only in Shillong Civil Hospital, even in Ganesh Das Hospital and other districts hospital also, we are going to install this because it is very workable and very effective.